Okay.
Yes.
That's good.
I'm gonna talk English for the video.
Yes, okay.
Where did you find the cat?
The house
The
and the
house?
entrance. There's somebody put it inside the house. And we know the mother cat, but she abandoned. She came and then she ran away. That's the reason why we brought it.
Not exist the mama
No, the
cat.
mama exists.
Exist?
Yeah, but
Abandoned.
she ran away. She came.
Abandoned.
Abandoned?
Yes.
Yes, the baby.
Ah, the mama abandoned.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, big problem.
Yes.
Big problem. For me it's okay. Not have space. Ma, I don't know. I want to help
Yes.
and bring the kitten in the vet now,
Yeah.
and after make all the vaccines
Yes.
and
Treatment for the eyes.
and the test.
Yeah.
Now it's necessary the antibiotic. I speak for that
Okay.
to clean.
In the eyes.
And after to stay here, it's indispensable to make the test for the AIDS, cat AIDS, because if one animal
all.
have this malady, infect all the cats. Big problem. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.